I'm called Joyce, Joyce Robertshaw.
Manchester's an amazing city, but it's seen a lot of change recently. So for older neighbours who have lived in the city for their entire lives, some of them have seen it changed beyond recognition, and they don't feel the city's for them anymore.
We had a great deal of wonderful architecture which they have tended to take away from us now and built too many glass buildings. I've never been into cocktails, so it was a really nice introduction to them, you know.
What was your favourite cocktail today?
The first one I had, which was a mojo, something like that.
A mojito?
Oh yeah, that was it. Oh, I think it's very important to meet people and new people all the time. So I've had a lovely afternoon, I really have. It's just been a wonderful place to be.